Folks, we have a beautiful early evening train, and it's coming around the bend. This is like Pettipas Junction. Hear it? You can hear the train, I hope. Beautiful. Is there anything more beautiful than a train? If there is, I darn well haven't seen it. The lights are ringing! You hear that? The lights are ringing! Beautiful! Beautiful. The grass is all green and wonderful, and the lights are ringing. It's just after 6 o'clock in the evening. There was no train last night, so I'd say this is going to be an exceptional train tonight. It's unusual not to have a train on a weekday night, but for some reason there was no train last night. And choo-choo! It's coming around the bend. Now, hear it ringing, ding, 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 ding. Yeah! Amigo's coming. Okay, watch this here, my dear friends. It's a beautiful day. This is the nicest day we've had yet in spring of 2024. God's been good to all of us. And it's not going to be as rainy this summer. We need some rain, but not going to be as rainy this summer. See the lights? Not as rainy this summer. And so last year was too much rain. It drenched all the good out of the soil. Okay, going to be a much better year for our gardens. Yeah! Here you go! 1, 2. I say there's 3 locomotives! Wonderful! How do you go? 1, 2, 3! 3 beautiful locomotives! Aren't they lovely? Nice and clean and bright and colorful. CB&CNS. Where would we be without them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Coal cars. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need coal. Keep the lights on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, boxcar, that's coal car yet. 22, now boxcars for our lovely beloved paper. 23, 24, 25, 26, and here we have liquid of some sort. 27, I think it's empty going down for liquid. Look, we wish you all the best and God bless. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Share the video far and wide, please.